Here is why it matters. In the 1960s the Soviet Union planned a moon base called Lunagi. Lunagi was more than a shelter. It was a small city for a few dozen cosmonauts. The design came from the Korolev Design Bureau. They wanted to show power and science. The base looked like a giant steel lily. Its shape had a flat lower hull and a dome on top. The lower hull rested on 4 wide legs. The legs could fold during launch. Workers could fold them in the launch tower. This saved space and weight. The hull measured about 30 meters across. Inside there were 3 rings. The inner ring held life support. It had air filters, water recyclers, and food labs. The middle ring stored supplies and tools. The outer ring held living space and a small greenhouse. Cosmonauts could grow lettuce and wheat there. The greenhouse used LED lamps that mimic the sun. The base used a nuclear reactor for power. The reactor boiled water to make steam. The steam drove turbines that created electricity. The turbines also heated the air. Heat helped keep the plant grow. The base relied on a small rocket dock. The dock let supply ships bring cargo. The dock also let the crew return to Earth. The design looked bold and strong. The metal panels were painted bright orange. Orange helped engineers see cracks in dust storms. The overall look reminded people of a submarine on the moon. The plan never left the drawing board. The Soviet program fell apart after the moon race ended. But Lunagi still inspires architects today. They study its use of rings and its simple life support. The idea shows how a small team can live far from Earth. It also reminds us that space design can be both useful and beautiful.